In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve timesheets in Connecteam. To get started, open Connecteam and head to the Launchpad. This is your main starting point where you can access the different tools and management features inside the platform. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and select the time clock feature. This is where Connecteam keeps time tracking, work hours, and timesheet-related information organized. After opening Time Clock, move to the top of the screen and click on the Timesheets tab. This section is where you'll review employee work hours before final approval. If you're managing multiple team members or reviewing different payroll cycles, this area helps you filter down exactly what you need. Next, choose the relevant pay period you want to review. It's important to make sure you're looking at the correct date range before approving anything, since approval usually confirms the recorded hours for that period. Then select the employee whose timesheet you want to check. This will open that person's submitted hours so you can review the details more closely. Before approving the timesheet, take a moment to look for any discrepancies or issues the user may have submitted. For example, there may be missing clock-ins, incorrect job assignments, incomplete breaks, or other time-related exceptions that need to be addressed first. Reviewing these items carefully is important because once a timesheet is approved, it is typically locked, which helps prevent accidental changes later on. If there are any problems, resolve them before moving forward. This step helps ensure the timesheet is accurate and ready for payroll or internal record keeping. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later and reduce the need for corrections after approval. Once everything looks correct, click the Approve button. In Connecteam, this is usually located in the top right corner of the screen or inside the individual employee's timesheet view, depending on the layout you're seeing. Selecting Approve will lock the timesheet and confirm that it has been reviewed. And that's it. To approve timesheets in Connecteam, go to the Launchpad, open Time Clock, click Timesheets, select the right pay period and employee, resolve any submitted issues, and then approve the timesheet to lock it in. If you're reviewing several employees at once, just repeat the same process for each one, and make sure every timesheet is checked carefully before approval.